One dog walks again. We went to see Maya. Maya's the girl that Wolf likes, and gave them the bad news. She got lots and lots of pats from Maya's dad. Maya's not that old. She's probably she's a lot younger than her. I don't know, she's probably about 3 or 4 years old, about 4 years old. An escape artist. So they keep her inside all the time. They never very rarely take her for walks because she's been in trouble. People that own her are mentally challenged, and they can't react in time when she does something naughty. And she has scared people, been threatened with, the family's been threatened by the council, with council action. She's friendly enough, but she is a very unsocialised. And that's what we were working on with Wolf, was to get her socialised. These two girls did not get on because they were both alphas, and of course with Maya being not socialised, she has always been a single doggy. Hello. Hello, Beagle. There's a Beagle. Yeah, so we couldn't get the girls together. That was not a possibility. And still not a possibility. 2 alphas. And but with Wolf being him such a gentleman and so fluffy, every time Maya took a bite out of him, just snapped at him. It only got hair, and Wolf had quick reactions too, so he was able to back off very quickly when she did that. Unfortunately now they're back to square one, no socialising. So they don't take her to the dog park or anything. She's too aggressive. And she has had puppies. She's now desexed, which she wasn't at the time. She was only about a year old, and she took off. They think that somebody picked her up because she ended up north, and the only way she could get there would really be by car. So somebody probably picked her up, and then she got out again, and the pound picked her up and checked a microchip. They said, oh, she's missing. Sent her back to Toowoomba, and where she was pregnant. So it was with a cattle dog, Kelpie. So unfortunately they had Kelpie Husky crosses, and nobody wants Kelpie crosses. So they were able to luckily give away the puppies and got her desexed. I don't know why they didn't get her desexed straight off. I guess they thought that she was too young, or financially, don't know. There's lots of mozzies around here. So how are we doing? I'm doing amazingly well. I'm really surprised, apart from Friday. But I think a lot of that might have been not just grief, but shock. I thought I'd be a lot worse. A few times I thought, well, what's the point of trying? But she got me out of that mood quickly. How's she been going? For the first couple of days she was fine, until we went out for that walk, and that's when it hit her, and she's been moping and upset ever since. So a couple of people have said, well, just try taking her on shorter walks, don't do the long walks that we used to do. So we would normally walk a good distance further that way and chase hare, and we're not doing that today. We're doing half the walk that we would normally do. But she did enjoy meeting Maya's dad. She was talking all about it, screaming up a storm, waking up the whole neighbourhood, telling him all about what happened. But she's pulling now, which is a good sign, I think. She wasn't pulling on the last walk. She was very much a pleasure to walk last walk. This time, she's still a pleasure to walk. She's not pulling with all of her might, but she is pulling, which is good. It means that she's getting happier. Oh, two doggies. Oh, two doggies. Oh, nice feeling. Now she's pulling. Yeah, she's pulling. Two doggies. Oh, two doggies. Yeah. Nice feeling. That green one's cute. Yeah. We're walking that way anyway. We are. We'll see you later, everyone. We'll catch you later. She wants to cross the road because I think she knows where she is, and there's chickens across the road and a house on the corner over there. So we'll see you later, everyone. Take care.